Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Charity. Welcome back to COC Naturals. So if you're new to my channel, you just came across my channel now, welcome. Please take a seat, feel at home, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. I love you all. And so in today's video, I'll be washing my protective style. I've had this knotless braid for a month plus, and I'll be washing it today. So guys, if you want to know how I do that, if you want to see me doing that, please don't go anywhere. Watch this video till the end, because I'll be washing, conditioning my hair, and also moisturizing my hair in protective style. So guys, don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end. And I'll start by applying the shampoo on my scalp, because I'll be focusing more on my scalp, because this is where the dandruffs, the build-ups, the deads, everything is settled on my scalp. So focus more on your scalp to get rid of those deads and build-up. And for the shampoo I'm using, I made this shampoo myself. If you want to know how I made this shampoo, I have a video of it on my channel. I'll be leaving the link on the screen or in the description box down below. And this shampoo, I made it with a regular shampoo, and I added other ingredients to it to give me the effects that I want, because using a normal regular shampoo might not actually work the way I want. So I added some other things to it. So if you want to see what I added, and if you want to know how I made it, don't forget to watch the video on how I made it, guys. So after applying the shampoo the first time, I rinsed it off, and I went ahead to apply the shampoo the second time and the third time in order to get rid of those build-up and dead, because I have lots and lots of dandruff and I really want to get them out of my scalp. So if you have a lot of dandruff, just try and wash your hair, more than once or twice to give you that shiny scalp you want. So after general washing, this is how my scalp is looking, very clean. I stay under the shower and let the water flow down my braids. And for my deep conditioner, I'll be using this organic hair mayonnaise, and I'll go ahead to apply it on my braids and not on my scalp, because I want the split ends, like the ends of my natural hair, moisturized and conditioned. applying the conditioner on my braids, I'll leave it for some time before rinsing it off. So when I'm finally done washing my hair, I'll go in with my moisturizer, and I'm using my shea butter to moisturize my hair. You can use any moisturizer you have. As far as it's good for your hair, you can use it. And so after applying my shea butter, I'll go in with my hair growth oil, and I'll be applying this on my scalp. And if you want to know how I make this hair growth oil, I'll leave the video on the screen, and I'll also put the link on the description box down below. So guys, if you enjoyed this video and you liked the video you just finished watching, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to like this video. Please like this video, support your girl, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.